everyone, welcome back to Leena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about play with numbers on and names on the microbit. So here is the microbit on the screen. So in Python programming language.
Okay, let's get started then.
Yes, let's get started. So play with numbers and names on microbit. So make a score. A score counter. For example, you're just like playing soccer. A counter is like, for example, it's your birthday. Like, so you turn 1 the first year. The second year you turn 2, and you're keeping that count on some.
Yeah. So count 1, 2, 3. That if a machine counts like that, it is called a counter.
Yes. So yes. And then we'll be scrolling a name.
Oh, scrolling a name on the microbit. What does it mean?
It means to scroll the name. For example, I have my name on the microbit, so the
microbit will show your name.
Yes, it'll show my name with the variable, which are going to be started there.
Yeah. Okay.
So now let's go to the microbit. Okay. So we will be making our own counter.
Yeah. So let's first go to the
reference
variables.
Okay. Yeah, so it's the variables is in reference.
Yeah, so you will be learning basically about variables. What is variable, by the way? What is a variable?
So variable is used to store data that may change.
Such as number or
so a number, letters, hashtags.
How many types of variables are there? So if you
I'm pretty sure 3 that we're learning.
So what is this first one?
Integers.
Oh, the integer can be one variables, yeah?
Yes, and then this second one.
Integer means what? What are the integers?
Integers are like integers are whole
1, 2,
numbers.
3, yeah, whole numbers, yeah. So that is one type of data. Another data could be what?
Floats.
Decimal numbers.
Oh yeah, so same thing as floats.
Yeah, so in the Python
so
it
floats
is called
are floating point numbers. Yeah. They have decimals.
Yeah. And what are the third types of data?
Strings.
That is a text data, yeah?
Yes, so you're texting somebody. Yeah. For example, you're texting somebody on Snapchat. That's
you are using
that's strings.
Yeah,
in microbit, it's called them.
And there's another type boolean, so we are not studying this one.
We're not studying booleans.
Learning about the integer and the string.
And float.
Yeah. And the float also. Yeah, float, is the but for the counter, we don't need decimal.
We don't need decimal numbers.
Need the whole number.
It's whole numbers.
Okay. So let's make a counter then.
Yes.
So how do you start to make a counter? What do you have to define here? You have to define one variable.
So we need to, actually we can just go one down.
Yeah.
So then we have to put count. And then we have to put equal to.
Yeah.
And then we have to make it to 0 because we're going to add to it.
Yeah, so initial.
And 0.
So count is a variable. And what the number stores that count now? So
it stores 0 for now.
Yeah. Okay. So now we are making the counter. So what we have to do? While true,
so
what we have to do here?
So we have to delete all of that.
So let us say if the A is pressed, button A is pressed, then it should increase by?
It should increase by 1.
So what you have to do here? So you have to write down the if button A was pressed. Can you write down here? If button A was pressed.
So if button oopsies. If button I need it. Really? Okay, button A was pressed. There.
But still there is error. What is the error there? What you are missing?
We are missing the device. Oh.
Look here. Here, what you are missing?
Oh, I know what I'm missing. Dot.
Yeah. You are missing this dot. Yeah?
Yes, that dot.
Yes, so it should be dot.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I have to do? So if A button was pressed, then the count.
Count. Oops. Count appears.
Should be equal to
Equal to
count
plus
1.
1. So we have to write count plus 1.
Yeah, but still it is error. Why is error there? Put a space there.
Oh, yes. It's another line up.
Still there is error. Now go one back.
Backwards?
Yeah. No. Back.
Oh, back all the way to here? Okay. The line, I now have to do the same here. Or there. Now it's
Count
good.
Scroll. What?
So count,
Display
scroll.
What we have to write here?
We have to write count.
Yeah. Put it count here.
Count.
Yeah.
There.
It's good? Yeah. The code looks good now. Can you
Yes.
try? It works?
So let's go on here. And now we have to press button A.
Oh, it's
1.
1.
Let's count all the way to 3, guys. 2. And 3.
Yeah, so this is a counter. How you make a counter? Can you check on the microbit?
Okay, so I have a microbit. So I have a my handy dandy microbit. Let's just turn it on. It's still off. Now it's on. Okay, now let's press A, everybody. This is A and this is B. Boop. 1. Let's count all the way to 3 again. Actually, 5 this time. 2. 3. 4. And drum roll, please. 5. Wait, I said 5, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, so that's
how
what
you
it
make
says
a
on my
counter.
microbit.
Okay.
And that's how you make a counter, everybody, on your microbit.
Now let's do the another variable. So the string variable. So let's define one variable name. So go to change count to name.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
There.
Put name.
Name.
Name is a variable. And now give some your name.
Leena.
You want to display your name.
I'm putting Leena. Sleep.
Oh, it's error. What is the error there?
The error is, since this is count, we have to change that to name.
No. So this here is error in this line. Line number 4 is error. What is the error? So name is a variable that contains the
Yes.
word Leena, but the code does not like that. What is that? Why? Because this is a string, so you have to put inverted
Oh
commas.
yes, I forgot. I forgot the inverted commas,
Yeah,
known as quotations.
yeah. You need to put
There, now it's fine.
it. Now you see, now it's fine.
But now what's wrong here?
Now what's wrong here? Yeah.
Don't we have to change it to name?
So you are displaying the name, okay? So you
Yes.
can just say that display. You can take out this one. I don't need counter anymore.
Bam.
Delete that one, and then delete that line also.
This one? Or
No,
no, that line.
But you can leave that one, that's fine.
No, too bad, I already did
So
it.
display a scroll. Now what you have to
Name.
name. Yes.
Name. There.
Do you think it will work?
Yes.
This code will display your name?
Yes. So let's press button in 3, 2, 1. Leena.
Yeah, it works. So
yeah.
so now if you want to put it here, let us say I want to display hello Leena.
Yes. But we don't have to write hello there.
Yeah.
We can write it somewhere else. I'm pretty sure.
So you make a line here, press enter there, and then maybe you can write here display a scroll hello.
Display dot scroll hello. So inverted commas, quotations, right?
Mm-hmm.
And hello. There. So now, there. Now there's no errors. Now we can do hello name. I mean hello Leena. I meant.
Let's
So
try.
3, 2. Oops. There. 3, 2, 1. Hello.
It works.
Myself.
Mm-hmm.
Hello Leena.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Okay, if I want to, let us say, I don't want to write it here. Can you delete this line?
Yes. Bam.
Okay, I want to, if I write here hello, hello and then plus, it will work. Can you write there hello?
Hello. Hello. Plus.
Yeah, space, plus,
And then space again.
yeah, space again. But hello you have to put in the quotation mark.
Oh,
This
yes.
is a string.
There we go.
Now let's see. So
So
run the
now
code. It
let's
will display
try.
the same thing.
So now we have to press A.
Oh, it does.
Still works.
Yeah.
Hello,
So
Leena.
what did you learn? You learned the string variable
Yes, add a string variable.
and then integer variable
Yes.
by making a counter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we completed. We made a counter.
Yes.
That counts whatever you want, 1 to 100, or whatever. If you have a game, you can use a counter, micro:bit
Yeah.
counter.
Like you're playing a
And,
game
yeah.
with your friend
And
and you're gonna go.
And who is the winner? You can display their name.
Yeah.
Yeah. That will be a cool project.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay. That's it for today. Yeah.
So thank you for watching Leena's Pretend Play. For now, bye.
Bye.